Hi friends, True Nature Childcare here. We are once again paying homage to the mighty dandelion. Here it is, friends. And I'm going to pick some of these guys' flowers. Just like that. Collect them up and we're going to eat them. So you want to make sure you're picking your dandelions from a clean area where there's not a bunch of dogs running around or whatever. You just want to make sure they're clean. Also, make sure you got the right plant. There's not a lot of trouble with lookalikes on dandelions. The one lookalike we do have is the hairy cat's ear, and it just has hair on its leaves, but the flowers are still fine to eat. But it is good to make sure you got the thing that you meant to get. And then you need an egg, about a half cup of flour, and enough milk to turn that into a batter, and then half a teaspoon or so of salt. Mix up that batter with your egg beater, super fun. And then you're gonna take your flowers and dip them into the batter on all sides, and I like to scoop mine out with a fork. Toss them in the pan with some hot oil, and this is how they cook up. It's delicious. Try one. I would recommend, once you've picked your flowers, to let them sit in a container for a minute and let all the bugs crawl out before you try to bring them inside. It's amazing how many bugs live in a dandelion. You really learn a lot when you pick these guys and go to fry them up. Alright, have a great lunch, guys. Tell me all about it. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.